Digital dentistry is not going away. It's growing so fast these days. So we're seeing more and more dentists starting to adapt these technologies into their practices. But I think the biggest topic is now, not just implementing one piece or this piece here, but trying to tie it all together to have a workflow that makes it more efficient, better care for the patients, better communication for the dentists and their technicians.
Everything's going digital right now, of course, and it's not just to be fancy and be with the latest, but it's really to help our patients get better outcomes and to be more predictable. Some may not have the talents that some of the top technicians have, but they can still get the wonderful outcomes. That's the whole idea about this session, to inform our colleagues about these possibilities.
I've been a clinician for more than 30 years, and I've been coming to the Nobel Biocare Symposiums for more than 15 years. Certainly I get a lot out of these conferences. The quality of the speakers is just unbelievable. The information and content is always up to date and informative, and afterwards I feel almost overwhelmed with the amount of knowledge that I get. It makes me want to come back next year.